Okay, welcome back to another video. Be doing some canvassing today internationally, and check out where we're gonna go. Oh yeah, that's right, 7-Eleven. Let's go check it out. Okay, so we're inside the 7-Eleven. Oops. And we're gonna go look at the ATM setup real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna try to overlay some text, but basically at the 7-Eleven ATMs, they're their own bank, which is kind of interesting. It's different. They have their own bank, so all the ATMs that are in there are only going to be 7-Eleven ATMs in this country. So that's just something to investigate. But what you can do, and we're going to go into this in other videos, we can look at what the market rate is for this area, how much you're going to get charged, and also give you an idea of when you start placing your own, like how much, what are the rules with the bank regulations in that country. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If it wasn't, or just leave some comments down below, and hopefully it was hopefully if you understand the business model, or you're trying to, it'll make sense to you on why I did what I did and why we're looking at these things in the area. And we're going to get into a little bit more detail on other aspects of the business in other videos. Peace. All right, if you see me right now, that means that you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video. And I just wanted to add that if you wanted a little bit more information about the my training, you can go ahead and click on one of the videos in the that was one of the cards in the entire video, or go to my channel, the Postrepreneur, and there is a complete playlist about ATM, the ATM business and how it works and things of that nature. But I'm also going to be offering a couple of more little tidbits for you. So stay tuned to the channel and subscribe, and see you in the next video.